I'm Jason Beachy, and we are here in Sugar Creek, Ohio. We were just looking for a place in the country to move to with our family where we have a few acres and we can have some gardening and where the children can ride their four-wheelers and side-by-sides, and so this is where we landed here, and we enjoy it here with a view. The project here, the storage for the mowers and the side-by-side, and then included with that is the garden and the raised garden beds. So my wife has a place to do her gardening, and then of course we didn't want to leave the kids out, so we built a little playhouse for the kids, and they love it, and they spend the night down here sometimes. So it's a fun space. Now that we're getting closer to completion, we're looking forward to using the garden beds with having a garden shed right there with it is convenient. So we can better utilize the space, and of course using it for storage as well. It's a lot of just family time, and the children are here with us and we can spend outside time. We looked at a lot of different sheds, and we kind of concluded that this fit our property and it fit to what we wanted. Because we like being outside, we wanted a little porch area so we could just sit there, or like when the kids are there, they have a space besides just storage. For us, the finished look is always important, and so we felt like with this design and style, it fit our property, and we got the completed look that we were hoping for. As far as the custom design features, a lot of that was really just bringing ideas and Weaver putting it together for us. And so we greatly appreciated the ease of the project, including a playhouse I don't think they're everyday build, but for them to customize it and make it fit and blend with what we wanted was great, and we really appreciated that. The windows under the porch area was add-ons that we really wanted, as well as the full glass door. We just felt like it not only does it enhance the look, but it also allows that natural light to come inside. And then the same thing on the playhouse, the windows with the glass door, it goes with our house. Our house has a lot of windows as well, and so we just wanted everything to blend. With the custom porch areas, our front porch and also the side porch, to have those covered awnings was such a great addition to our house, and we're utilizing the space so much more now that we have that. We're just thrilled that we were able to add all that outdoor space and make it feel like it's a part of our home. The thing that Weavers was so good at was we were able to bring our idea. They were able to show us 3D model, and we could really come to a finished product with what we imagined it would look like. Some of our favorite features of that is the fiberglass round pillars or columns, as well as all the trim detail that they've put into it. And then the round gutters that Weavers put on, we ended up changing all the gutters on the house to make it blend with that, and we're really happy with how it all turned out. The outdoor grill house and grill area was actually on the property when we moved here. It's also a Weaver build, but what we have done is we've just extended our patio. We've just incorporated it into our outside living space, and so we have just done the covered area, the covered porch, the customization of that, and the patio to blend everything in so that we can better utilize our outdoor space. And it's an area that our family enjoys a lot, and of course the quality is really good because Weaver had built that as well. The convenience of working with Weavers for all these projects, we're able to customize the colors, the styles, so that it all flows together on the property, and it all blends, and that's why I would recommend choose a good builder for your projects, and then everything can flow together. So Weaver Barnes done an excellent job, great company to work with. I always feel like anytime I do a project with Weaver Barnes, I get the most for my dollar with the best quality. And so it was an easy choice for us to choose quality and value.